There is only one person in this world who can bring life in this world and save life from leaving this world. Dedicated to doctors, 1st July is all about thanking doctors for all the efforts they put to ensure good health and to save life of their patient. Good morning to all. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8. My dear friends, as you all know that every year on July 1st, India celebrates National Doctors' Day to thank the doctors for their human services to mankind, to show gratitude to all workers in the field of medicine who have selflessly helped us in the time of need, and to recognize the contributions of physicians to our lives. And above all this, India celebrates this day commemorating the iconic and internationally renowned medical practitioner, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, who served as a physician, a freedom fighter, an educationist and a politician. Dear friends, do you know why he is remembered till date? Dr. B.C. Roy, a Bharat Ratna awardee, was born on 1st July in the year 1882 and died on the same date in the year 1962 at the age of 80 years. He was a former Chief Minister of West Bengal and one of the most popular Congress leaders from Eastern India. He is remembered till date for actively involving himself in starting many institutions and hospitals. He was fully dedicated to the upliftment of Indian society. National Doctors' Day was first celebrated in 1991, and since then this day is observed to pay tribute to Dr. B.C. Roy. My dear friends, we should not forget that this National Doctors' Day holds special significance as doctors have been at the forefront of our fight against this pandemic. And I would say, when there are tears, you are a shoulder. When there is pain, you are a medicine. When there is tragedy, you are hope. Dear doctors, we express our gratitude to you for always being there for us, for serving us with happiness and for treating our problems. Happy Doctors' Day to all the doctors. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.